wise crow. It was a hot summer day. A thirsty crow was flying around looking for water. There was no rain for a long time, so it was not easy to find water. But the crow finally found a bottle of water left by a shepherd in a stony field. He looked inside the bottle and saw a little water. But he could never drink it because the mouth of the bottle was too narrow. However hard he tried, he couldn't make his beak reach the water.
What shall I do? How can I reach and drink the water? If I turn the bottle upside down, the volume of the water will flow out and drop to the ground.
He thought a lot, shaking his head slowly. But suddenly, he came up with a good idea. The crow picked up nearby small stones in his beak and put them into the bottle, one after another. 1, 2, 3, 4. The water rose gradually according to the size of each stone. At last, the wise crow drank the valuable water